If you're starving yourself or doing endless crunches to lose belly fat, you're wasting your time. I'm going to show you exactly what works, backed by real science, and it's not what the fitness industry keeps selling you. Stick around. Tip number 3 changes everything. Think eating carbs makes you fat? So does breathing air, apparently. Let's clear this up before someone cancels bread. Okay, here's the deal. Carbs are not your enemy. Your brain literally runs on carbs. That's like saying your phone hates batteries. People blame carbs because, yeah, eating 5 donuts a day might make you feel like a potato. But potatoes? Actually super healthy. Fiber, potassium, vitamin C. Now here's a wild stat. According to the CDC, carbs should make up 45 to 65% of your daily calories. That's more than half. If carbs were so bad, why are we designed to need them? And if you're hitting the gym, carbs are your fuel. Try lifting heavy after cutting out carbs. Your barbell will feel like a car. No carbs equals no gas in the tank. So no, bread isn't out to get you. Just maybe don't treat cookies like a food group. Still not losing weight? It's not your metabolism. It's not your age. You're just doing the wrong stuff. Let me fix it in 3 simple steps. Most people think losing fat means skipping meals, running 10 miles, or eating like a rabbit. Nope, that's why it's not working. Step 1, calorie deficit is king. A professor once ate only junk food, Twinkies, Doritos, Oreos, for 10 weeks. He stayed under 1,800 calories and lost 27 pounds, but he felt awful. So yeah, eating less works, but eating better feels way better. Step 2, protein equals fat loss. Chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt keeps you full and saves muscle. Step 3, train smart, not just hard. Your body's fuel system is kind of picky. When you exercise at a moderate pace, like walking or light cardio, you burn more fat, but go all out and your body switches to carbs because they're faster to burn. Fat takes more time and oxygen to use, so slow and steady actually burns more fat. Fat loss isn't about suffering, it's about strategy. Eat smart, train smart, and stay consistent. That's how you win. You ever try to eat healthy, so you start snacking on fruit, and suddenly you're bloated, gassy, and wondering if your body's allergic to being healthy? First, the good stuff. Fruits are loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Your skin starts glowing, your digestion improves, and your brain sharper. One study even found that people who ate more fruit had lower rates of depression. But here's what they don't tell you. Fruit contains fructose, a natural sugar that can overload your liver in large amounts, especially if you're sipping juice all day. Fun fact, an average banana has more sugar than a donut hole. And ever heard of fructose malabsorption? Around 1/3 of people have it and don't even know. That means certain fruits can cause bloating, gas, or even brain fog. Yes, fruit is amazing. Just don't treat it like a buffet. Balance is key. Follow for more facts your health class forgot to mention.